We're making beer. Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. And we are ready to get to the magic and the marvel of brewing. You as a homebrewer turning your very kitchen into a home brewery. When you boil, you are adding hops or any other ingredients that your recipe calls for. Boiling starts by turning the burner on to high. Pump up the volume on the heat, people, so we can get this sucker to boil. Ah, hops. They are incredible. Many even refer to hops as the soul of many a beer. And timing matters when we add our hops. When we add hops to the beginning of the boil, you get more bitterness. When you add hops in the middle of the boil, you get more flavor from the hops. When you add at the end, you get more aroma. But boy, are they an incredible part of beer.
You're welcome.
Heads up. Yes, hops are amazing, but they can also cause something called a boil-over, where our wort, unfermented beer, literally boils up out of the kettle when the hops are added, and it causes it to foam. You can use a mister, you can use a sprayer, you can buy a store-bought foam reducer, you can lower the heat on your kettle, but the bottom line is homebrewing has many rites of passage, and a sloppy, sticky mess out of your kettle is something that you might go through. It's okay, relax, don't worry, and have a homebrew. Boiling sanitizes your beer. So once boiled, you don't want your wort to come into contact with anything else that also hasn't been sanitized. That's because it could affect the flavor of your finished beer. And now that the boil's done, it's time to chill our wort. Chilling our wort is very important. Too high a temperature and you could actually kill your yeast. You want to ensure that you chill your wort so you have a friendly environment for those yeast. Now there's lots of equipment that you can use to chill your wort. Today we're just using a simple ice bath method in our sink. You know, while the wort chills, I like to chill and get ready for fermentation. Remember, homebrewing makes life more delicious. We're here on the journey with you. Cheers!